DIY Microloc installation days 12 to 14. These are pretty much the simplest rows to do, as I just did straight partings from the front to the back of my hair and created my microlocs. I had to change tack though because I was really sick this weekend. Whenever I stood up, I would feel sick, so what I had to do was very quickly create the microlocs at the roots and then leave the ends out and then sit down to actually do the twisting. So this is why for this clip I'm sitting in a chair and just twisted away. And then you're going to see here I'm just checking through my hair to see if there are any loose ends left. I learned a valuable lesson about the limitations of my body. This particular week I was really exhausted. And I think my body just decided to say, no, I'm not carrying on like this. And I needed to rest. In the end, I had 434 microlocs. And I was really happy to feel like the end was in sight.